In this video, I want to be sharing with you what exactly is involved and what's in this course. So I'm really sure that you're, curious about what's in it, and I want to share with you exactly what's in it within this video. So the first thing that we're going to be going over really within this course is we're going to be going over then the keyboard itself, really just an overview of it. That way you have a understanding of, what exactly is on it, all those different factors at play. That way you have a better understanding just going into this course. That way it's going to be much more easier for you to kind of get a grasp of then the next lessons that follow that. Which, in speaking of the following lessons of that, is actually then showing you exactly where exactly does your fingers go on the keyboard, which fingers are used on certain keys and which ones aren't, because you don't use a certain finger for all the keys. You use them for certain keys, which I'll be showing you within this course. In addition to that as well, what I'll be showing you too is that I will then be showing you also not only just the main keys such as like the letters themselves, but also the surrounding ones all on the keyboard itself. That way you have really the best understanding possible. Then I even go into then talking about keyboard shortcuts. So this is another way in how you can save time while you're working, say, on your computer and using your keyboard. So these shortcuts, I go over really some of the most popular ones that you can use just about anywhere, and that's really what I want to be showing you as well during that section, that to really help you again save time. Then afterwards, we then get into then more or less the proper habits to get into, meaning things that you really want to make sure you get in the habit of doing. For an example, you want to make sure that you're putting really your fingers in the right positioning and whatnot. You just want to make sure you catch yourself if you do find yourself to be out of position. And I go into that in much more greater detail, of course, within that section. Then afterwards, we go on to then even test your skills too. So even no matter where you're at right now, no matter what skill level, I think it's really important to still track wherever you're at the moment. Meaning, that way you can really see your improvements over time. That's really where this is important. It's not that per se judge you or anything of that sort. It's just for you to see, hey, this is where I'm at, and then here's where I want to be. Or you can see your improvement over time as well, which is really being able to then test your skills as far as I even give you tools that you can use to then practice typing as well, so you can get better and better at it over time. Then within the next section, section 7, I then go over helping you increase your typing speed. Now this is something that does not happen overnight. However, if you just implement the things that I teach you during this section, it'll help you increase your speed over time. And then after that, I then just really be able to just quickly then really recap and whatnot the whole course. But really by then you should have a great understanding of really how to properly type, and really you should start to see improvements afterwards as well once you've been doing some practice tests and whatnot. And when I say tests, they're not graded necessarily, but they do show your results. And with that, you're just able to continue to get better and better over time. If you have any questions, again, at any time throughout this whole course, please feel free to let me know. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.